You mean, sinagot mo lang si Mark to spite Steve? That's so unbecoming of you, Jamie.
Alam ko, Ana. Pero what can I do? Hindi ko naman pwedeng bawiin kay Mark yung sinabi ko. Oh my God, I feel so guilty.
Ano ba kasing ayaw mo kay Mark? He's sweet, he's kind, and he protects you.
Di ba obvious, Ana?
Si Steve pa rin. Jamie, nade-develop yung feelings. At hindi ako magugulat kung ma-develop ka rin kay Mark.
Hindi ko na alam, okay? Hindi ko na alam.
Just give it a try. Malay mo, Mark's really the one for you. Hindi talaga si Steve.